Imagine being able to change your future with just the power of your mind. Sounds impossible? Keep watching to discover a simple yet powerful technique that can transform your life. The undisciplined mind struggles to assume a state denied by the senses. But what if you could encounter events before they occur? This technique allows you to call things which are not seen as though they were. It's a simple formula discovered after years of searching and experimenting. The first step in changing the future is desire. Define your objective clearly, know exactly what you want. Next, construct an event you believe would follow the fulfillment of your desire. Make sure this event has you as the main actor. Immobilize your physical body and induce a state akin to sleep. Lie down or relax in a chair and imagine you are sleepy. With your eyelids closed, focus on the action you intend to experience in your imagination. Feel yourself right into the proposed action. You must always participate in the imaginary action, not merely observe it. Feel that you are actually performing the action. The proposed action must follow the fulfillment of your desire. Feel yourself into the action until it feels vividly real. For example, if you desire a promotion, imagine a friend congratulating you. Feel the handshake, hear the words of congratulations. Make the future event a reality now. The future is now in a dimensionally larger world, equivalent to here in our three-dimensional space. The difference between feeling yourself in action and visualizing yourself in action is the difference between success and failure. Visualize yourself climbing a ladder. Now, with your eyes closed, feel that you are actually climbing it. Desire, physical immobility, and imaginary action are essential conditions for altering the future and projecting the spiritual self. My old friend Abdullah gave me an exercise. I would sit in my living room and assume I was in the chair by the phone, then feel myself back in the living room. This exercise helped me discover the feeling of changing motion. Practice it, and you'll become very loose with this exercise. By imagining, you detach from your physical body and place yourself exactly where you imagine to be. Others will see you there. To manifest, you must want to do it. The mainspring of action is desire. Stand where you are, close your eyes, and imagine seeing what you would see if you were there. Feel it to be real. Imagine touching a wall. Feel the wood without getting off your seat. You can do it if you become still and intense enough. Bring the world you want to see before you as though you were there now. Let it come up naturally. If you want a physical presence, imagine someone standing before you and touch them. Feel them to be solidly real. Every day, put yourself into a drowsy state. Habit will make you feel drowsy at the same time every day. Create a state akin to sleep, but stay in control of your thoughts. Try it for a week and see the difference. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and relax completely. This is the first stage of prayer. Know what you want. Construct a single event that implies your desire has been realized. In the drowsy state, feel the action as though you were an actor in the part. Do not visualize, feel it. Imagine your greater self performing the action. Feel yourself walking, climbing stairs, or shaking hands. What seems like a controlled daydream is an actual act in a greater dimension. You encounter the event fourth dimensionally before it happens here. Another way to pray is to feel thankful. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and go to sleep. Induce the drowsy state where you can become attentive without effort. A single sensation should dominate your mind. Discipline your mind to remain faithful to a high mood. Ride it triumphantly into the fulfillment of your desire. Remember, desire is the mainspring of all action.